Proceed to the message of support. We have from the labor sector, Mr. Darius Guerrero.
Hello. Gaya po nung sinabi ko kanina, hindi sapat, actually even for the employers, even at the sa perspektiba ng mga employers, if you look at it, hindi ho sapat yung minimum wage. Pero, we are limited by law to hindi nga ho kami pwedeng magdikta yung tanong kanina as to mga benefits na dapat ibigay. We are simply mandated to set the minimum wage for minimum wage earners. Yun lang ho yung mandato ng wage board. Siyempre, that is far from our constitutional provision na dapat ay living wage. And if you look at living wage, ang gusto nga na sana namin, ang minimum wage ay living wage. Pero, if you look at the realities, mukhang malayo pa tayo doon. At mukhang hindi din kakayanin that if you want to have a living wage, ay gatasan mo ng gatasan yung employers lang. You will have to have certain balance that you ensure sustainability of your micro, small, and medium enterprises which composes 99% of our industries. In the meantime, we have the wage boards and we have to maximize what we can get from it. What's good about it, yung wage board po natin is tripartite, represented ang employers, represented ang workers, and also government agencies that have stake dito sa ating ekonomiya at sa ating sahod. And I'll tell you, talaga pong these members of the boards are working. They are representing the interest of yung sektor na kanilang ginagawa. Sa amin, sa labor sector, we're not only looking at private sector workers. We have linkages with government workers at isa ho yan sa tinitingnan namin, yung kalagayan ng mga JO, ng mga COS, not only in terms of pushing for the regularization, but also determining sino ba employer dito. Sila ba ay private? Because some of them are actually under contracts with the government agencies, pero under agency. Pero yung JOs, iba naman yun eh. Their individual contracts, sila yun mismo, wala pa nga kontrata. So, we are looking at that at tinitingnan ho namin, sino ba dapat ang kinakausap? DILG ba? CSU ba? That's between and among labor organizations, both from private and public sector. Pero, yun ho yung sinasabi natin. You want higher wages, you want higher benefits, you want regularization of people under contracts, whether from private or from government, we take responsibilities. Hindi tayo pwedeng we complain lang na complain, but we don't take action. We have to take responsibility to organize, to unite ourselves, and advocate for the changes that we want. Because that's the only way na pwede nating katawanin yung tunay na interest nating mga manggagawa. Isang bahagi lamang po yung pagtatakda ng sahod, minimum wage pa nga. Pero malaking bahagi dito, yung pagtutulungan natin at ng ating government agencies on how we can maximize what we have sa kasalukuyan. Yun lang po at magandang hapon.
Thank you, sir.